This is a compact bulldozer with manners. It pulls up pet hair better than most cordless flagships, feels planted thanks to the track drive wheel design, and filters well. But the small 1-liter bin and a fussy hard floor head mean it shines most in smaller homes with mixed floors and regular vacuuming. Not once a week, deep dumps of debris. Design and build quality. The Boost CX1 cat and dog feels like a scaled-down Miele canister with a low center of gravity that simply refuses to tip. The track drive layout, with side wheels and a stabilizing caster, keeps it tracking straight behind you and turning tightly in cramped spaces. That matters in hallways, around furniture, and especially on stairs where the body sits securely without wobbling. The plastics feel dense, the telescopic wand extends smoothly, and the crush-proof hose doesn't kink when pulled around corners. It's lighter than full-size Miele canisters at about 7.75 kilograms, and the 10-meter operating radius is workable for apartments or modest homes. Compared to similar compact bagless units, this feels sturdier and more balanced in the hand. Key features in action. The Vortex suction system and the 890-watt powerline motor are the headline story, but the way Miele dials and manages that power matters more than the number. The 4-position rotary control gives genuine range, from delicate curtains to full blast for embedded grit. In practice, I left it mid-high for daily passes and bumped it up only for entry rugs. At max, it can cling to the floor, so having that control is essential for comfort and maneuvering. Filtration on the cat and dog trim is robust. This variant typically includes HEPA air clean level filtration, which, together with the Vortex separation, keeps fine dust under control. The Click-2 open dustbin latch is quick and neat, though the 1-liter capacity forces more frequent trips to the bin. If you vacuum big sheds of hair, expect to empty mid-clean. On the flip side, it's hygienic and doesn't plume dust when opened correctly. Attachments are where it punches above its weight. The Turbo Brush is the pet hair hero on carpets and rugs. The crevice tool has strong, focused airflow that actually pulls fine powder out of grout lines and baseboard edges. The upholstery tool is excellent for couches and car mats. On hard floors, performance depends heavily on the floor head. The standard EcoTQ or universal head can struggle with larger debris, tending to push or scatter cereal-sized pieces. Removing the head and using the wand directly or switching to a better hard floor tool solves it. But there's a little learning curve to get the best result on tile or wood. Performance and daily reality. Day to day, the Boost CX1 cat and dog is a workhorse in smaller spaces and mixed floor apartments. On low to medium pile carpets with the turbo head, it lifts visible hair and pulls out fines effectively. It doesn't burrow as deeply as a powered brush head on a high-end full-size canister, but for most household carpets, it meets expectations. For allergies, the sealed filtration adds confidence that what goes in stays in. On hard floors, suction is strong enough to pull in dust from a short distance, which is satisfying for corners and edges. The caveat is with bigger debris. The standard floorhead aperture is narrow, so it pushes large crumbs forward. Switching to a parquet head or knocking larger bits toward the wand makes a difference. Noise at full power sits in the upper 70s to mid-80s dB by casual app readings, which is audible but not harsh, and felt similar to other compact canisters at max. With pets, the machine's compact body and track-following behavior really help frequent quick cleans, and the bin and filters do not clog rapidly with just hair, though owners who vacuum infrequently may notice the small bin as a bottleneck. Limitations and trade-offs. The small 1-liter bin means frequent emptying for heavy shedders or post-renovation dust. The included hard floor head can be fussy with larger debris, sometimes requiring head-off suction or multiple passes. Without a powered brush roll, ultra-deep carpet agitation isn't as strong as premium uprights or canisters with electric heads. At full power, it can feel sticky on some surfaces, so plan to use the suction dial actively. Those who want to vacuum big messes in one go or cover large homes may prefer a larger canister or a model with a bigger dustbin and a powered head. Final verdict. Buy this if you want a compact, stable canister that truly handles pet hair on carpets and upholstery, value sealed filtration, and appreciate thoughtful maneuverability in tighter spaces. Skip this if you clean infrequently and generate large debris piles. Need maximum deep carpet agitation from a powered brush head, or dislike emptying a small bin mid-session?